In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy objects in AutoCAD. By the end, you will be comfortable duplicating geometry accurately in the same drawing and placing it precisely between files using a base point. Let's start with the standard. Everyday copy. Begin by typing copy or simply CO. Then press enter. Next, select the objects you want to copy. This can be a single item or multiple objects, and press enter again. To confirm your selection, now choose a base point. Think of the base point as the handle you'll use to move your copy. It could be a corner, a midpoint, or any point you can reliably snap to. You can also type exact coordinates if you need precision. For example, entering 0, 0 uses the drawing's origin as your handle. After setting the base point, click your target destination point to place the copy. If you need more than one, just keep clicking additional destination points to create multiple copies in sequence. When you are done, press Enter or ESC to finish. This method is quick for offsets, repeated fixtures, or patterning elements within a single drawing. And it preserves layers and properties of the original objects. Now, let's cover copy with base point, which is ideal for consistent placement or when moving content between drawings. First, select the object you want to copy. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, or type copy base. You'll be prompted for a base point. Choose a reliable reference, like an endpoint, center, or type a specific coordinate such as 0, 0 if you want a universal reference point. This base point becomes the anchor that controls how the object will align when you paste it. Open the target drawing. To insert the copied content, press Ctrl V to paste and click where you want it. Or, if you need the object to land at its exact original coordinates, right-click. Go to Clipboard, and select Paste with Original Coordinates. Using Paste with Original Coordinates ensures the geometry appears in the same location relative to the drawing's coordinate system, which is especially useful when multiple drawings share consistent origins or need to align precisely. A few final tips as you practice. Choose distinctive base points you can easily snap to for accuracy. And consider typing coordinates when exact placement matters. Remember, the base point you pick defines how your copy will line up, both within the same drawing and across different files. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.